This is Damian McNamara with Skin and Allergy News Digital Network, and I'm at the South Beach Symposium in Miami Beach with Dr. Nowell Solish. Dr. Solish, thank you for taking the time.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Now, earlier at this meeting, you gave a presentation about a new filler made from low molecular weight, high hyaluronic acid. Can you tell me more about this product and what it's different from on the market already?
Sure. Most of the hyaluronic acids that people are dealing with now are high molecular weight. And basically all that means is that they're long chains. It's like, think about it as a train, and each cable car is a bit of hyaluronic acid. And there are these long trains, and that's all the things you're using now, like Juvederm or Restylane. If you take those trains and you make them shorter or smaller, they weigh less, so it's called low molecular weight. So it's been an advantage for areas where you really want to add volume, hence the name Voluma. So the mid-face, the cheeks, the areas, it's not really a line chaser. It's not good for nasolabial fold. It's really for where you want to add true volume and restoration of volume.
Dr. Solish, can you tell me more about Voluma and how you've used it in Canada, what your experience has been?
Sure, we've had it for about 18 months, which has been great. I found longevity to be around a year. And when I say that, when people come back at a year, I don't really need the same amount of volume that I've needed originally to lift them. So that's been good. They're liking that longevity. They're liking the natural look and feel just as they do with the other hyaluronic acids. So it's been overall quite good for volume replacement in Canada.
And what is the feedback from your patients been like? Have they been happy with it?
Patients have been happy. They don't really, from a patient point of view, sitting in a chair feels the same as putting any hyaluronic acid in, but I think they're getting more volume, more lifting, and they're getting good longevity out of it.
Okay. Now, Voluma is not available in the United States yet, but can you tell me what the timeline is for that?
I don't know exactly. I'm sure no one knows, but they're expecting it to come out sometime this year in the U.S.
Okay, so in 2011,
yeah.
U.S. dermatologists have it available.
We're hoping.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is there anything else you want to tell dermatologists about this?
I think that there's a little bit of a learning curve with it. What you see is what you get, so don't overcorrect with it. Massage when it's in there, make sure it's placed nicely. Just inject it like other hyaluronic acids, but really in the volume areas. So really in that mid-face, cheek, area, jawline kind of area. Don't start off putting it in anything like a nasolabial fold or a lip.
This has been Damian McNamara reporting from the South Beach Symposium in Miami Beach.